with another curly bob wig. I will be recording 2 bob wigs for you guys to see. One will be curly, one will be wavy. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with this curly one from the company Omgherhair. This one is their 180% lace front unit. It is pre-plucked. It's 14 inches. It's 180% in density. The texture is tight curly. It's a natural black color. It's a glueless lace front wigs. It is also a medium brown lace color, and the wig size is average, which is about 22.5 inches. So with this unit, you get your soft Swiss lace. It comes with 2 combs on the side, a comb in the back, and a comb in the middle. You don't get a lot of parting space with this unit at all. The hairline did come pre-plucked. I didn't have to do anything to it. I did just kind of mold it down. I didn't really do any baby hairs, and I also did bleach the knots on this unit. The knots took very well. I didn't have any issues. I mostly focused on the front of the hairline. You guys know I like to make sure my hairline is definitely bleached because I want it to blend in really well. The rest of the hair, if it's not bleached all the way as far as the knots go, I don't mind because I can always add powder and I can go back and redo it. But this is the curl pattern of this one, and look how pretty this one is. It says it's 180% density. I feel like it's more between 150 in my opinion, but the curl pattern on this is definitely pretty. Today I'm just going to slip on my wig grip band. I cannot find my wig grip cap. I'm pretty sure it's in my room somewhere, but I'm just going to go ahead and slip this on, and then I'm going to try the unit on for you guys. With this one, I do have to tuck it under a little bit because it is very stretchy and it's a little bit big on my head, but once I tuck it, it's fine. I don't have to worry about it moving, and for extra security, you can always add a bobby pin and pin it to your cap. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this little one on. So with this unit, I really didn't have to wear my wig grip because it fits me really good, but for extra security, I don't want to have to worry about my wig sliding back because I'm not going to be using any freeze spray or any glue or anything on this one. I'll just be bobby pinning it down just because I will be reviewing another unit and I don't want to have to glue this one down, then take that one off and do all that other stuff. So yeah, the hairline on this one, as you guys can see, it's very nice. I love the way that it looks. I just use my Lotta body foam wrap just to kind of brush it back, but it fits really good by my ear. So if I wanted to glue it or freeze spray it down, I wouldn't have to cut off any excess lace if I wanted to kind of pin it up. But I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off of this unit, and then I will fluff it up and use my serum and then show you guys what it looks like after I am done. what the wig looks like after I have cut the lace off. I did tuck the lace behind my ears just because I told you guys I did not want to glue this unit down or put any adhesives to my skin because I do have another wig to review today. What I did was make sure to bobby pin it, but I also made sure the bobby pin is attached to the wig grip just for extra security so it won't go anywhere. It feels very secure on my head. I did get a little bit of shedding with this unit, but you guys also see me kind of go into the hairline. The shedding is not a lot. As far as tangles go, it's not tangling right now because I haven't really wore it, but I do expect this unit to tangle up a little bit because this one is a little bit more curlier than the other wigs that I have reviewed. I did put my powder into the hairline. You guys know I like to use the Ruby Kisses 3D Creator palette, and I just took some of my foam wrap and kind of went into the hairline and kind of pushed everything down so it wouldn't look humpy, and I kind of swooped some of the hair over just right in the front area so that I don't have to worry about the lace showing. You guys can see that is what the hairline looks like without me adding anything to it. Only con on the wig is that I wish it did have a little bit more parting space, and then this side seems to be more wavier and then this side is more curly. It does blend in all together, but I really wish the front of this was curly because like under this you can see the curls, but then it's just like a deep wave pattern on this side. Also, you definitely will need a little bit of serum for this hair. When I washed this wig, I did not put any leave-in conditioner in this hair at all, so this is just water, and then I put the foam wrap into the hairline. Yeah guys, let me know what you think about this curly bob. If you are interested, I'm going to leave links down below, and I'll also leave a coupon code that you guys can use if you are interested in purchasing this hair or any other hair on the site. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to let me know. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification button, share and like this video, and I will see you guys the next time. Bye guys.